A new day dawns. New game session appears. Now let's have some fun. Gotta remember every time we have one of those days, gotta do work for the Mr. Man person. Let's see, what was I doing before? We got only 3 of those, I need 5. But other than that, I want to see if I can find the lighthouse fellow. Maybe fix this. Ooh. Useful skill. He's gonna want more alcohol. Well, that's gonna be something I have to wait for. Yeah, just gonna not have that. Almost done with this. That's good. No idea what this will be used for. Truth be told, I hate YouTube, so I'm gonna mass upload all these unedited with as much content as I can possibly stuff inside this tight little... We're not gonna continue on with what my thought was. Well, I can't take that. Well, I get 2 for 1. Ooh, that's my buddy. Oh, you had something to say to me, eh? Your work for yourself. It's a fucking fat shit. I can't clean this up, can I? Wait, fertilizer. Oh! Even better. Yep, this is perfectly alright and okay. fuck. At least we have fucking carrot seeds, I guess. Pretty cool. Kind of. Don't really know how I feel about it. Shit, motherfucker. Always. Here, I'll even set that up in there. Gonna have to wait for the morning. A new day, a new dawn, a new... Well, I can't exactly say a new dollar earned. Here we go. What else can I make? Yeah, I should probably get one of those too. Make it look nice and pretty. What about over here? What can I do with you? Make all the things that I need. Instead of all this crap. Know what I'm doing after burying that poor bastard. Literally just left shit for me over there. Lovely. But the carrot seeds will be coming very useful. Let's make it all nice looking for this bastard. No more getting dipped into the river. Well, not for the moment. Notice that we need a lot of these, so I'll just happily stock up a little. Why won't it let me use the bathroom? Like, could that be like a really inefficient way of regaining stamina? Just put a porta shit anywhere you want? You know, dig a hole and all that? There we go. Getting somewhere good. What the fuck is the hammer good for? Oh well. Guess I'll find out. Rusty axe. No, I can't destroy it. What the hell? If I can't destroy it, then what good's that? What else? That's all. Alright. That was pretty good right there. Getting all that done all nice and done diddly did. if there's anything important I could do today. Probably not. Still sick. Sorry you had to listen to my sniffling. But fuck you, you don't even have to watch this video. How about that? Yeah. Turning away the 0 people that actually watch me. Gonna have to invent medieval gunpowder. Ooh, that looks like something I can... Alright, you fucking wily bastards, have at ya. Got a nice fire going. Shit. Why do I never have enough room for anything? Oh, maybe that's why. Well, there's something I could do. Hold up a minute. I do not want that. Asshole donkey fucking shat on my road. Oh, look who it is. If I get to the inn before you get to my place, then maybe I can have another good conversation with you. I'd be glad to give you some carrots, if I had any, which I don't. Huh. I can sell that crap. Alright. Noted. Yeah, I'll tell you about a cord of wood. Little did my fellow know that they don't use cords to measure. They do it by a noble spit length. Oh, there's the donkey. Come on, I want to get back and talk to him. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please with sugar on top. There we go. Oh, well, that's more than okay. That's reasonable. Okay, that's fair. I don't really get that many corpses from you anyway. Literal douchebag. Gonna have to go out foraging again. Yeah, I don't got carrots for you, buddy. Oh, wait. No more mushrooms? Really? Okay. No, I can't max you out. Guess not. Okay. Had my guy heal up too a little bit now. Slime kicked his ass. I wonder what the day will be set to be. Oh. Shit. How'd I manage to fuck that up? No, I can't watch him do it like that. There we are. It at least looks like he's doing a over-the-shoulder swing. If it's from the side, I can't deal with that. Just a little too broken for me. There we go. Do I have to do a quest for that lady on this day? Demonstrate you're worth talking to. Well, the best way to do that is to actually just completely ignore her and make her want you. Ah, fuck, I forgot I had a farm shit I can do. Oh well. We'll just find the lighthouse after the morning. Speaking of morning, I don't think I've seen that cycle yet. Does it just pop up or does it slide over? What's the deal? What? Well, kind of hoping I could plant a carrot. I wonder what the problem is. Let's see an empty garden bed. Maybe the sticks are for something like not carrots. There we are. Okay. Cool, I can do that 3 more times. Hopefully I get seeds back from doing this. Wait, I have no stone on me? Could have swore. Alright, we'll just go and get some. Not that hard. Should be out here somewhere. Anywhere. Hello? Well, this has been a bit of a waste of time. At least I can see what I need to do to repair that. Oh! Not a waste of time at all. Kind of a crappy repair job. Hell, maybe this is the lighthouse. Never know. Ooh, a fishing spot. Okay, okay, what else? We got dirt roads and all that. You know what? Why not? Why not? Why not? We're already out here. That's a lot of required energy. But that is fine. We have a lot of food, I suppose. Whatever the fuck could be up here. What, nothing? I was looking for stone. Oh, what do we have here? Bit on the odd side, but okay. Just slept in a random ass house. Oh. A cabin. All for me, I see. Has its own house too. Ooh, that looks different. Come on, show me what you got. Ooh, looks like iron. That looks like marble. Great craft. Oh, something I have to do up here. So much crap. What else we got up here? Ooh. Doesn't need to breathe. I get it, game, I get it. What's over here? Alright, another fishing spot. You know what? That's enough exploration. I haven't gone to sleep all night. Just been wandering throughout the woods. I see some red berries. Maybe they're poisonous, maybe they're not. Either way, I'll leave that for another day. A lot of stuff up here, though. Oh, finally. This is what I was after. A piece of stone. I don't know about any of you. I forgot the iron. Shit. Now, the more I think, the less intelligent I actually feel. Because then I actually realize how many mistakes I make. Think about your mistakes, folks. It'll make you smarter. Kind of. At least smart enough to know where you went wrong. You know what? Fuck that. I'll do it tomorrow in the morning. Everyone's gonna be walking past, going to church, wondering why a fucking donkey ain't doing anything, just sat there. Yep, all's good in the neighborhood. Gonna be the best fucking priest ever. Stayed up all night making things. At least now I can make things on my own demand. It's like he read my mind. Wait, what? Well, that's lovely. I know what I'm gonna look for. Ooh. Actually, knowing this game, I'm gonna have to have a lot more of those parts if I want to get to that zombie fellow. But not enough so where I don't have enough energy to actually do it. Wait a minute, where the hell did I get one of those purple ones from? I do not remember that. Come on. Don't head. There we go. Alrighty, good morning. Wait, what? Oh. Cool. Where's that? Is this it? It is. Okay. Oh. I actually have people now. Oh, he liked it. Well, I'm a fucking cult leader. Oh yeah. Rake it in. I ought to do this more often. I should probably take that. Wonder what I can make in here. Probably nothing. Yep. That was lovely. Oh wait, I wanted to check out the thing. North of the church basement. Oh, now we got something we can do. Probably not actually, because I have no stamina. I need to put a bed down here. No, can't put a bed down here. That's unfortunate. Well, that was a good sermon. Nothing to say about it? Alright. Time to go to bed at 12 in the morning. Well, 1. That looks like 1:30. Time to go to bed at 1:30. Really, I don't know what this guy would complain about being from a different world from. It gives me the option, but I never use it. Get to go to sleep like this? Lovely. Rise and shine. Good morning, world, and all those who inhabit it.